Hey Artland! In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a simple hummingbird. Now, to start off with our hummingbird, we're going to start right here on our paper and we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a little circle shape like this. Then I'm going to add a smaller circle right up here. And then I'm just going to color in this larger circle, just so we can kind of have an eye, and then we have a little bit of a reflection in here. Now, the next step is we want to make the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to come around the eye. So it's just going to kind of go up and then around. Now, I want to make a nice long beak that's going to come out here. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. And then I'm just going to bring it back here. I left it a little bit skinnier here and then a little bit wider over here. And then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that's just going to go right underneath here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to kind of come up like this for the body. And then over here, I want to make the wing. So when I draw the wing, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. Then we're just going to keep this simple, and I'm going to kind of curve this back. Then I'm going to take my line, I'm going to go out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve back. And then I'm going to keep doing this. I'm just going to go out, and then I'm just going to kind of curve back. And this is going to create the little feathers for the wing of our hummingbird. So I'm just going to put a few of these. I like to make them a little bit smaller as they come back. And then I'm just going to add one more, and I'm going to curve this right to here. Now, the next step is we want to add the tail. So I'm going to do something kind of similar to how I did this. But first, I'm going to kind of start right here. And I'm just going to draw a line that just goes down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to make it go a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to kind of bring it back a little bit. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go out a little bit longer, and then I'm just going to bring it back. Then I'm going to go out a little bit longer and bring it back again. And then right here, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and then bring it back. And then I'll do one more here and then bring it right to there. Now, this is just kind of like our simple hummingbird. There's always other things you could do. You could add some feet onto here, some different things like that. But I'm just going to leave it like this. Now, the one thing that I want to do before we're done is I just want to show you where there's going to be a couple different little spots for some color. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way down to here. And then that way, this is going to kind of give us a little bit of area just to kind of play around with some different colors. But there you go. There is your drawing of an easy hummingbird. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.